first graders, we're going to look at our second week packet. This is for April 13th through 17th. We will give you some further instructions. This is just a quick run through on what's in the packet. So the first page is called Sweet Rhymes. And you're going to look at the picture and say the picture, and then you're going to cut this out and glue it onto the picture. If there happens to be something on the back later on, you'll just draw a line. This one you can cut that part out and glue it right here. The second page is I can identify living things. So you're going to label the drawing, then you're going to check each word as you use it. Then color the picture. Okay, so read, label, and color. Your words are down here, and you can see that it starts with the first letter is given to you. So say what the picture is, and then find it and copy that word right there. Okay. The third page. This is a 10-frame review. So you are going to look at the number, okay, and then you're going to find the 10 frame that matches that number, cut it out, and glue it next to the number. And then our next page is apple subtraction. You're going to solve each subtraction. Remember, subtractions take away, so you start with your total. Your subtraction sign tells you to take away, and then you'll take away that number. I would write in the answer that you get. Okay, once you've solved all these problems, then you're going to use this key up here. You're going to color the answers number 2 green, answer number 4 red, and answer number 6 yellow. Then our next page is which blend. So you're going to color the pictures and then circle the correct word that matches each picture, and then write that word in the box. Okay, so the first picture is pictures of blocks, and blocks starts with the blend BL. Okay, so it has the word blocks, but then it has this tricky, not real word plocks. So you would circle blocks and then write it on the line. Okay. Then our next page is the sight word and. So you're going to practice coloring the word and then you're going to trace it and then write it on the line. Okay, then I want you to rainbow write it with 6 colors. Okay, right here, A and D, 6 colors on this one. You're going to use this part, cut out these letters, and glue them right here. And then you'll circle it. Find all the ands that you can find, circle all of those. Our next page is the sight word does. You're going to write a sentence using the sight word, and then you're going to draw a picture to match it here. And then you'll cut out the letter tiles and create the word right here. All right, and the next page is called Help Fix the Sentence. So we're going to read this sentence. It should say, we made a big yummy cake. Okay, but there's lots of things wrong with this sentence. You're going to write this sentence the correct way using capitalization, the correct spaces. See how this one, there isn't a space between the word a and big, so you put a space when you write it down here. The correct lowercase letters, so like how the word yummy is all capitals, you put that in lowercase. The correct spelling, so the word made is not spelled correctly. And then the correct punctuation. That wasn't a question, that was a statement. So you would use what? A period at the end of that sentence. So correct your sentence on these lines, and then I want you to illustrate it. You can have, instead of having a friend check it, have someone that you live with check it. Okay. And then our last page for week 2 is I can compare motion. Okay. Motion is things moving. So I want you to read each sentence, copy the underlined word, and then cut and glue pictures to match, and then color. Okay? So the first one says, the car is fast. The ball rolls down. The paint spilled. The balloon floats. These are all examples of motion. Okay, so you'll follow the directions for that page. And that wraps up our second week. For the second week reading and math packet. We'll have more videos going in depth for some of these, and then we also have some other math packets that we'll be talking to you about this week. Also, hope you guys had a great weekend, and let's get started learning.